Welcome to Worldwise Visionary, where we explore big global stories. Today, we're talking about something important, the China Evergrande Group. It might have some serious problems coming up. In the upcoming minutes, we'll guide you through the details of what's happening, explaining why Evergrande is on the edge of failing and how this might affect economies around the world. Let's start with the basics. Imagine we're laying down the groundwork. The China Evergrande Group, led by the billionaire Xu Jiayan, is like a major player in the world of buildings and real estate in China. They're famous for creating really big and tall buildings that stand out. This company has become successful by making places like malls and apartments for the growing middle class in China. They say they have about 200,000 people working for them, which is a lot. But Evergrande is more than just a real estate company. It's like a jack of all trades. Besides making buildings, they're also into other things. Evergrande invests in electric vehicles through Evergrande New Energy Auto. They even have their own soccer team called Guangzhou FC, and that's not all. They've got their own theme park called Evergrande Fairyland, and they're into mineral water with Evergrande Spring. But wait, there's more. Evergrande didn't stop at land. They've even created an artificial island. Just off the coast of China's Yangpu Peninsula in Hainan Province, they've built an island that's as big as 380 football fields put together. As we fast forward to the present, Evergrande's stock price has plummeted by a staggering 87%. The company is having a tough time with its money situation. They're trying to fix a really complicated issue with their debts. From January to June this year, they said they lost a huge amount of money, around 33 billion yuan, which is like 4.2 billion euros. To understand how big this is, last year during the same time, they lost even more, about 66 billion yuan. In an earlier move, the company unveiled its financial performance over the past 2 years. The trouble for Evergrande started in late 2021 when the company got stuck in a very complicated problem with a lot of debts. This problem was like a big spider web. The idea of going bankrupt, that means not having enough money, shook up the financial world a lot, and it made things really uncertain for the real estate business in China. Evergrande became a kind of symbol of this big problem affecting lots of things. Right now, they're working really hard to talk with the people they owe money to from different countries. They're trying to find a way out of this financial puzzle. To give themselves more time, they asked to have more time to pay their bills in New York earlier this month. As the world's biggest real estate market faces chaos due to companies like Evergrande struggling to complete construction projects, it's causing suppliers to go unpaid and potential home buyers to lose their funds. This turmoil is putting more and more pressure on China's overall economy. China holds the title for the world's largest real estate market, and there's worry that these financial issues might spread to other parts of the economy. This uncertainty is casting a shadow over China's economic situation. Now, let's grasp how big this situation is when we look at the bigger picture. The ripples coming from Evergrande's troubles might grow into something like a worldwide economic storm. Evergrande is like a big piece in a puzzle, and if it shakes, it could cause a whole lot of other pieces to move too. Imagine a line of dominoes falling one by one. Each fall sets off another, and it keeps going. The global markets, people who invest money, and the real estate world are all connected in a delicate way. Evergrande's problems could mess up this balance and make things uncertain. Looking forward, a big question pops up. What's coming next? Imagine a high-stakes game of chess, where Evergrande and the Chinese government are in a serious battle of wits to find a way out of this mess. They're considering big changes like fixing their debt issues, selling off some of their stuff, and getting help from the government. It's like watching a puzzle being put together right in front of us. The choices they're making now could have a big impact for a long time, maybe even years. And that wraps up our in-depth journey into the upcoming crisis of the China Evergrande Group. Just remember, this story goes beyond just one company. It's like a window into a big puzzle that is the world's economy. If this journey has sparked your interest, make sure to click that subscribe button down below. This way, you'll stay updated about all the interesting changes happening in our economic world. Keep exploring and stay curious. Until our next encounter, take good care. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the way. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Your support powers our mission to share intriguing ideas. We're grateful to have you as part of the Worldwise Visionary community. Thank you.